Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily set up custom emails on Shopify. So all you have to do is head over to admin.shopify.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, just click on settings, then click on domains, and from here you have an option to buy a new domain or connect existing domain. Next, at the domains page, select the specific domain in which you want to set up the custom email into. Then just click on it. Next is just scroll down until you get to the email forwarding section. Then click on Add Forwarding Email. A new window will then pop up, and all you have to do is enter in a forwarding email address and receiving email address. Then once done, just head over and click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!